Yeah, this is just all about, the competition. It's if you go to street skating contest, vert contest, or whatever, it's all about tricks. This has an obvious winner. It's black and white, and that's why we race. It's all about the passion. It's all about the speed.
What about the adrenaline?
Has nothing to do with it. No, I'm just yeah, that has a small part in it, but just like snowboarding, wakeboarding, Wake Nation.
Yeah, tell us your name?
Bobby Thomas.
And where do you ride?
Wake Nation is in Fairfield, Ohio, just outside of Cincinnati.
A cable park, did you say?
It's a cable park. It's the best one in the country. There's only 7 of them, and it is absolutely awesome. WakeNation.com if you want to check it out. It's really incredible. Skated for Pepsi, doing vert skating and stuff like that in the 70s. And now, 30 years later, I'm back into racing slalom. This is what we do.
How old are you?
I'll be 50 in a few months.
So you're Twifty, aren't you?
Yeah. So, it's all about the passion. You don't stop playing when you get old when you stop playing.
Oh, I love that. I love that expression. Can I quote you on that?
You can quote me on that one, yeah. Because
okay.
a couple little quirks here and there, but I feel like a kid, and this is why.
How do you take care of yourself? What do you eat?
Chiropractic helps.
I think
but just,
so.
you know what? Just staying active. Just doing what you do every day. And that's it.
Great. We love your words of advice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck today.
Thank you so much.
Nick.
So tell us your philosophy of wearing medium-sized flex meters.
Tight is right.
Okay.
Tighter the fit, the better for me. I like no play, not my shoes, not my knee pads. I don't like any movement at all. Same with these. What's the use of having something if you're not going to wear the right fit, which to me is tight? I mean, the only thing that philosophy doesn't really work in is wakeboarding, and I break the rule there because you're really supposed to release from your boots, and I generally don't. But other than that, tight is right.
Okay. Thank you, Bobby.
You're welcome.